and light weapons program beneficiaries, combined with the destruction of 13 loose firearms, is not only a program that is a testament to courage, trust, and hope. Today, we honor individuals who choose transformation over conflict, and we celebrate the leadership that guides our province toward lasting stability. This program is headed by our provincial government of Maguindanao del Sur, headed by Honorable Datu Ali M. Mitimba, in the support of our